Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In front of me is Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Circle to search on this device. So on Google Pixel 10 Pro, Circle to search feature is one of the most useful AI features so far. So let me break down how to use it. If you use gesture navigation, you want to touch and hold a flat navigation bar at the very bottom of your screen until you feel a slight vibration, like this. But if you use, for example, 3-button navigation, then you want to touch and hold a circular home button at the bottom side of your screen. So let's activate this Google overlay, and then you want to select on your screen what you want to search using your finger. So simply draw a circle over an object like this, and then your search results will appear on your screen. This is with the help of Gemini AI. Those are the results. And additionally, if you need, you can ask some more questions here, add to your search. You can ask, where is this place located, for example, and it will give you instant results. So, and in order to exit search, you want to tap on this circle, on this cross in the upper left corner of your screen. So, that is basically it. Thanks so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.